Welcome back, everyone. My name is Sachin Amburi, and today in this video, we're going to talk about how, with the help of AI, we can automate our job search. So, what you're looking at here is a Google Sheet, and all the entries that you see here, I haven't done it manually. So, if you see all these, so basically, what with the we have automated this task with the help of AI, and what we're doing here essentially is we've got it programmed in such a way or configured in such a way that if there is any new job meeting my criteria, then it will pull up the information such as the URL and the position, so I don't have to actually sit through and then do my kind of search, because that takes a lot of time. And we can automate the entire workflow as well, such as searching, creating the CV accordingly, and cover letter, and not just that, the follow-up as well. You can set up a follow-up sequence as well. So it's kind of interesting to see like how it saves time. So for example, like I've got this one here, Bax Energy Staff Software Engineer. The moment I click on it, this will take me to the what you call it, to the link. I mean, I can just, if I go here and I put it like this, say enter. So this is going to give me the JD. This is going to pull up the JD Software Engineer. Um, so this is right now plugged into the we work remotely, and it's working on the RSS feed. So see, this is interesting, isn't it? Now, if you go back to the sheet here, so with those RSS feed, you can also, configure it in such a way that it kind of looks at not just the name of the company or the position or the just the link. It can pull up the description, email IDs, and all of that, so that you can then have a full-fledged system which will not only search the jobs for you, but will also curate it for you based on your criteria, and also um, it's going to apply on your behalf. And before that, it can tweak your CV as per the JD, and then the follow-up sequencing can start. So all in all, I mean, obviously, as a human, you can only apply to so many jobs. I mean, number of jobs, right? Not many in a day, because we have, like, sometimes you have full-time job or college or studies, or you're occupied. Uh, so some days you can get through all of them, but some days you just can't get through even one, maybe. So for those use cases, I thought we just put something together, and then we see, how much this when the moment you start, it will just go ahead and find all of this for you, and then it start applying and all that. So here the use case for the sake of discussion, I've just kept it very simple right now, just to show the power of it. That for now it's just going to populate this um, Google Sheet, which is integrated there, and then it will go ahead and populate all these for us, and then we click and see for ourselves what JD, if we're interested, instead of going through all of them. Yeah. So I will introduce you to this powerful platform called Zapier. Right. So this one is what you're looking at is the canvas, the where you design your workflow. So what I did was, see, in the just got this this is called Zaps in the um, terminology of Zapier. So you see, I've set it up, and I've configured. So and then so here the app that the action that it can take is the one that I've selected is RSS by Zapier. So if you remember on the onset of this call video, I just mentioned that um, we will be using RSS feed from this job board. So let's say I'm interested in finding remote jobs. So this is going to find, all the feeds regarding remote jobs from the website, that website, and so we configure it here. And the trigger item is when will it trigger the moment there is a new RSS feed, which means a new job entry matching our criteria. So we said new item in the feed. Okay, so this is how it is all done. So in configuration, we put the URL, and that's about it. And then here we can do the test. Yeah, right. So okay, now if you see, if you go here, let's say for the sake of this tutorial, we want to see if the code is that it is entered is good stuff, but I will get rid of that. And let's say now my sheet is blank, right? Before this video, I will just go ahead and try and run this zap and see if it is working. Okay, so or we can just say test. So we had a test, so we just say find your records. So just gonna go through that RSS feed, and then if it has found anything in here, it will show up in this link here. But since there is no new RSS feed because we just saw that there was bunch of emails, a bunch of jobs that were sitting in this. So I'll just try and see the original record pulled. I will just try and see. Continue with selected record. Yeah. Now if you see here, this is still blank. Then let me just see. There should be something in here. Mm, Create a spreadsheet or create. Yeah, continue. Uh, you see here, it is mapped. So you can map those your Google Sheet. It's integrated here. You can map all of that here. And then you can say continue. And now you see a row was sent to Google Sheets about 4 weeks ago. There was it. The data was tested. We can, this is the option retest, or you can retest the step. So they see the Google Sheet is working and all of that. Now, if you go here, awesome. So if you look at it, it just got me the job. The basis my specification. It pulled it and it put it over here. Now, for the sake of this video, I did it manually. But if you so the whole game is about this, feed coming in from this website, remote website, and then at the moment they have a new feed, which means new job. This workflow, this automation will um, get triggered. And the moment it does, it will have a quick check about our requirement and all good. Then it goes to call the Google Sheet, open the, put the, create a spreadsheet row. So with that information, it will create a new spreadsheet row, which is what it did here. And I'll put that entry of the job title and the job JD link over here. So if you know that I've when I on the onset of this video, I just went out with this Excel sheet. There were so many of them sitting here because obviously I did this some time back, and I wanted to do the video on theirs, but for some reason couldn't get around to this one. But I thought it would be a good use case to to share with people. So yeah, here it is. So well, this is a very powerful platform, Zapier. Yeah, when we talk about the spectrum of AI, no code, low code, full code. So this also comes in that ecosystem only of low code or no code platform. Yeah, and all you gotta do is you should know what you're doing, the automation workflow. You should have some sort of mental map, and then you can just translate your mental map into the into the Zaps, the automated workflow part of it here. You can do many things and based on your use skills. Very, very powerful. So, yeah, that brings us to the end of this video. Hope you like it and take good care of yourself until we meet next. Thank you.